Hey everyone, this is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Welcome back to my channel. And welcome if you're new here joining us for the first time. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so today is August 16th and you better not forget how awesome you are. Today I am starting a new little series. This is going to be Box Challenge Boss Babe, okay, on Saturdays. Because what I realized was, as I was just thinking about like my business and everything, and all the expenses and all that good stuff, what I realized is I don't really even know if I am turning a profit. I'm gonna be honest, and not that that really matters, I guess, because at the end of the day I would still do it because it brings me joy and it's a good creative outlet for me. But here are what I estimate my expenses to be on a weekly basis. So paper, like cardstock, $5 a week, basically $620 a month to continue at the rate of going with my Ko-fi memberships, with my Etsy store, with doing YouTube and like printing off challenges. I mean, everything. So laminate, ink, postage. Ink is a lot. Ink is so expensive. Postage, packaging, and miscellaneous. So I'm looking at needing $155 a week budgeted to pay for all of these expenses. And that's not, I mean, miscellaneous, I don't even know. That's not counting like the special like doodler boxes that I do. So anyways, my goal is to start saving with the money that I get from my side hustles. I'm just going to put that in $150 a week at least in these box challenges, so that I know that I am funded for the next month, if that makes sense. And then whatever, if I have extra stuff come in that's like over the $155 a week, then I can put that towards something else, plus 25% of my earnings. So just to give you an idea, I don't know if you care about this, but this past week I had $191 come in from all my side hustles, and so I subtracted 155 of that to go towards my Boss Babe box to fund my next month of expenses. And then technically 25% of 191, shoot, $47.50, and I didn't have that much left from what I came in. So if I take 155 out of 191, I'm left with $36. So I'm putting that towards taxes. It's a little bit less than 25%, but anyway, so after the 25% comes out, if I have anything left, which I probably won't, then I'll put that money towards other things, probably debt, to be honest. Okay, so that is the behind the scenes reasoning of why we're doing this, in case you're wondering why, in case you care about the why. I care about the why sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. So that is the why. So we're gonna do these box challenges, and also because I really love box challenges. I've made a couple. I just ordered one from my friend Vicky. She made this cute Harry Potter one. So it just also gives me a way to play these cute box challenges. So this first one that we're going to play is by Buttercup Budgets. This is her Slumber Party box challenge. And we are almost done with this one. We have section 3, section 4, and section 6 to finish. So we are going to try to finish this one today. And I'm just going to go down the row because, because there's no point in rolling to see which section, because we are going to finish it all. And I think we have the money to finish it all today. So let's roll. First, shut the box. I'm going to get this one out. We're going to roll. First, shut the box here. So we got a 5. All right, so we can cross out that 5. 8. Okay. Another 5, so we can do 4 and a 1. And another 5, are you kidding me? Oh, I know, you can do 3 and 2. 6, okay. We need a 7 and a 9. 9. Oh my Lanta. You guys. Goodness. Okay, we're going to make this 30. We shut the box, y'all. We shut the freaking box. We shut the box. I have never shut the box on any shut the box challenge ever. This is the first. I am so excited, and we're going to save $30 with that. So let me pull out 30. Okay. Now, you may be wondering, why are you playing these challenges? Why aren't you just putting your $155 into an envelope? Because, guys, that's not fun, okay? Don't be boring. Don't be boring. Okay? We want to play fun games to make it fun, okay? That's why. Okay. Doing okay. Okay, so we can do 9 and 1. We have 6 and 2 and 4. Oh, okay, that's it. So 6, 4, and 2. So that's 12. Had to make some change. Okay, $12 there. Right. Okay, so we finished shut the box. So we're going to add this to our total savings right here. This is the finished challenge. We finished shut the box. So exciting. We shut the box actually. All right, then this, we just have this one little $8 here. So we can definitely do that. Okay, so I'm going to put these two back, and I'm going to grab this 10. Okay, so this one is done as well. And then we have this one, which is our catching some Z's. So each Z is 2, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so 16. Okay, and I'm just going to put 20 in here because I don't have the right change, and it's okay. And I think when I did these bluesies right here, I didn't actually put $2 in. So we're going to do that. Okay, so this box challenge is finished, and we have saved 1, 50, 60, 70, 75, 6, and 7. 177. So I'm going to write that here. Okay. This is donezo. All right, and we have $177 going towards our business expenses. So that's great because that's 1 week plus that we needed for next month. Okay, so next month we have like a week that is already funded. All right, so let's keep going. We have this next box challenge is called April Showers. This is one that I created as well. We have 4, 6, 8, 80 some dollars left to play with. So we need to finish this. You know, I think I'm just going to keep a running tally of our expenses here. So we have $8 here. Hello. There we go, 8. And then that finishes this section. This next section, we have 5, 2, 4, and 7. So 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 is 26. Okay, so that one, we're at 26. Okay, next we have section 3. This is Parasol Pursuit. So we are going to roll, and we are going to see which parasol wins. And I can't remember how we've done this before. Oh, 5 got 2. I can't remember if I was saving $1 per roll or if I was saving the actual amounts, but we're going to save the actual amounts today because why not? All right, so 5 and 5 is 10, so plus, oops, 26 plus 10, 36, there we go. All right, let's roll again. Let's see if we get a winner this time. 1 didn't get anything. Okay, we have 6 and 3. So this determines which umbrella we get. So we're adding 9. So we're at 45 right now for this box challenge. We can keep going. 6 and 1. Isn't $150 a week crazy though? Like, what? 6 and 2. Oh my goodness, you guys. So that's 8. Okay, we've got to get a winner now. Okay, yes. Oh, 6 and 5 tied. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we get to decide which umbrella we're going to use. We have this cute yellow one right here and this teal one right here. So let me know in the comments, which umbrella should we choose as our parasol, our little umbrella for the day. So 6 plus 5 is 11, so plus 11. Okay, 71. So we finished this one. All right. So let me see. 2, 4, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have $85. We're at 71 right now, so we have about $15 more to play with. Okay, so next we have this cute little rainbow coloring page. This is a color and save. This challenge, by the way, is available on my Etsy as like a download. So you can go grab it if you want. It's also available on my Ko-fi as a download. So either way, you can go get your very own copy if you'd like. This is the very first box challenge that I created, and I was so proud of it. I still am. I still think it's really cute. I do like my going on a bear hunt box challenge though. That one is super cute too. Okay, so that's $5. So we're at 76. My bear hunt challenge is the next one up that we're gonna put in this binder for our box challenge day. So this is the bear hunt one. You can get this one on Etsy as well. This one is super cute. I'm very proud of this one too. But this one is my, my original baby. All right, let's see what else we can color here. Can we do 6? If we add 6, that would be 82. What did I say we have? 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 85. Okay, that's fine. We can do that. We'll color this little 6 one. All right, so that's that. We got to put this one back though because we are not quite done with it. 82, and we have $3 left. So we can fill in 3 of these raindrops. We're gonna do a pink. Let's do one of these light purples. And let's do this blue one. And that makes 85. Look at those math skills coming in clutch. All right. So in this challenge, we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 145, 6, 7, 8, 9, 150, 151. Okay, 151 here. So when we finish this, we will have another week plus fully funded for our business expenses. So hopefully next Saturday we can come back and we can finish this one, which would be great. All right, but for now I'm gonna stick this all in here, and I'm gonna wish you guys a happy rest of your weekend. I will see you tomorrow for our Games and Collabs Day in our debt binder. Oh, I almost forgot. We finished a challenge, so we got to blow this savings whistle. Get on board the savings train, everyone. All aboard. Okay, bye.